I'm from Canada. Um, I had this hair fall issue since pandemic, and I got to know about new roots from online sources during my hair transplant. And also after my hair transplant, whenever I had some questions and whatnot, I could reach out to anyone, didn't matter what time of the day it was, and I could get answers or clarifications on what should I do in future. But I'm seeing a great result now, and I'm really glad that I did it. And I would also like to encourage folks who are going through this problem, please come here, consult with the doctor and the staff here and see what they recommend, and you won't be disappointed. Thank you.